Ano ang tigot? Irregular?
100.
100. 17 and below.
17, ay 12 years old to 17. 20 pesos.
20 pesos.
Pero pag 12 years old and below is
Ito tigay ma'am, ano ti guide fee ta?
800.
Awan mo tagit ito.
800 pesos.
Uncle Doming, agitag ka rin sa mga kasat niya.
Doctorate. Siguro mga 1,000 hikers today. And so hiking Mount Ulap again after 2 years. So this is my 4th time Mount Ulap. So mag-guide lang tayo. Sabit lang tayo sa trip ng mga kids.
Ano sir, may idadagdag ka pa. Bawat po pala na pagpipicturan, ako yung pipila, tatawagin na lang namin kayo. Since ako lang po at saka si sir.
Ito is a 2-kilometer mark. 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer. 2 kilometer.
Ganda sila mag-picture sa sana.
Ay, sorry.
Iuwi mo nga.
Inabot ng 1.5 hour from registration hanggang dito sa first peak, Ambanao Paway, dahil sa sobrang haba ng pila ng napakaraming hikers dito sa Mount Ulap.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And I
Grabe yung pila sa Ambanao Paway signage, kaya diretso na tayo sa Gungal. So it's Ambanao Paway. Jay, sayang na yung makasidong tapad, Jay. Ganda. Eh, baka tinagsido. Fortunately, may bumagsak na drone.
May 1, 2, 3. Saka 1, 2, 3.
And so almost 3 hours from registration hanggang dito sa may kilometer 5. Siguro dahil din niya pila yung trail dito sa Mount Ulap ngayong weekend. So pila talaga lahat dito ngayon. Pila din dun sa CR. Ganda daw.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Sa bahay na lang.
Yan, so buti lang, napakaganda ng weather. And so almost 12 noon na, paakyat na sa summit. Ayan, napakabagal ng pacing sa dami ng tao. And so again, that's Gungal, Ambanao Paway, the two peaks of Mount Ulap.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
And so arriving dito sa may canteen, o ang tawagin nila is Camp 7-Eleven. Yan, arriving dito sa Camp 7-Eleven.
1 hour to go ba?
A few moments later.
Yan, pa-exit na tayo pero posisyon ulit. Dito, Mingming. Sa exit ng Mount Ulap. Ka nandito sa bundok. Tingnan ka tuy. Uy. Kasi nagbalayo, gawin ka. Uy. And sa base sa pace namin, inabot kami ng 7 hours bago maka-exit dito sa Santa Fe, yung exit trail ng Mount Ulap. So yan, it's my first time na ganun ka-crowded ang Mount Ulap. So wala nang picture-picture, diretso lang. Hindi na nagpa-picture dun sa mga signage. And so it's good to see Mount Ulap again after 2 years for my, again, fourth time.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before